Alright, what's up everybody? New vlog week here. We are on Wednesday, hump day. Wednesdays are the day right now that we are killing it in the shop. We basically are stripping Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday we are coating. So let's just show you a little bit. We've got these black Camaro wheels here that we're working on right now. And I've got actually one and let's find it. And back here there's two. Two are done. Third one's in the oven. Fourth one is hanging there. So I'll have those all done here. We have this gas can holder, and there's a little L bracket in here somewhere that goes with that. So we will get that done here today. And then these wheel faces and lips, we'll try to get those done today, as well as the subframe right here. So we got plenty to do here, and we'll roll into some time lapses now of coating, masking, prepping, all that kind of stuff, and yeah, get it ready to go. So check it out. That finished products, boom. I'll see y'all on Sunday to wrap up the week. Alright, so super frustrating here. We have been spraying these wheels here. I got two of them done with two coats, and then you find something like this. Let me show you here. So as you can see there from the light, there is a little spot that is not covered under there. The problem is that on these wheels like this, you get these spokes that are separated by just the littlest bit in here, and getting powder to go in there is a huge pain in the ass. They look sweet, right? No, they're not. They're fake three-piece wheels, and getting them to coat properly fucking sucks. So basically, I have to now do another coat on at least those two. I'm hoping the last two that are in the oven are covered in there. Both of these have spots in there, in those spokes like that. So when we get back from the gym, we'll just another coat it. So anyway, yeah, frustrating way to kind of end the morning shift here, other than my black face. But I guess we'll one more coat. Alright, Saturday morning here. We've been kind of doing what we can throughout the week here. We're getting pretty good. So we got these faces and lips of these wheels are done. They are in there. Let's pop some pictures up on the screen. Bing, bing. Okay, cool. We are now currently working on sprint car bumpers in chrome. There's one, there's two third pieces in the oven right now. Beyond that, the only job we really didn't get done for this week that we had to do this week, these motorcycle parts, and the frame is in the oven there, outgassing. Basically, they just took a little longer blasting than anticipated, so no big deal. And then we have a couple small jobs here we didn't quite get finished up this week. This intake will actually probably get shot tomorrow. It's a GTR intake. And these valve covers, the powder just didn't show up, so that is, oh god, I'm burping breakfast. That's pretty much how this week's gone. So Do a little wrap up tomorrow on Sunday. And that'll probably be the vlog for the week. Alright, cool. Wrapping up the week here. We have a bunch of parts here. Some Harley parts, some headers, a couple P-dub frames for next week. And back here on the wheel rack there is... Oops, where'd it go? Shoot, wrong way. Back here on the wheel rack there is a set of wheels right here to do next week. We did get the sprint car stuff done here. Nerf bars, rear bumper done, finito, ready. This needs red top coat on it, and these need some color, and that frame needs to be blasted and colored. So got some stuff for next week, got a couple more jobs coming in, and yeah, other than that, pretty good week here. So we will we will get everything wrapped up here, and yeah, call it a week. So we will see everybody next week.